kittens, boys and girls. He is carnivore and he hopes all is worn well in your world. He's here to entertain, maybe make you laugh, perhaps a smile or two. But if you would rather go watch someone else, then we can't blame you.
Ladies and gentlemen, cats and kittens, boys and girls, I'm Carbonor. Welcome to my channel. I hope all is warm and well in your world today. Things are pretty cool here. Things are okay here. Okay. As you can see, this is what we're playing. I think we were starting a new level, if I remember correctly. So that's always cool. Last one was pretty creepy, so let's see what level 2 has to offer. Okay. Crouch again. There it is. Climb the ladder. I don't like the looks of those hooks. Don't like the looks of the hooks. That's probably a body. Okay. Okay. Grab the hook. Grab the hook. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Grab the hook. Got it. Got it. Don't know where this takes us, but I guess we're going. Ooh. Lovely. I suppose that's the villain of this level. Look, was that a chef? By any chance? A chef, perhaps? That's a lot of bodies. I'm hungry again. This is... Okay, this is a bit of a useless fucking thing because it only happens. It's not like you have to scour for food. It only provides food when you need it. You know what I'm saying? Like, so it could completely do without this food thing because there's no time. Okay, I gotta catch one of those rats. I bet. I bet that's what's happening here. One is already caught. It just seems unnecessary. Literally, it doesn't happen throughout the mission. It only happens almost as a cinematic thing. So what's really the point of it? You know? Does that make sense? So I have to get across those. Looks like blood. Oh, okay. Come back. Stop. Stop. What is that noise? That's knobs. I know that sound. Is there anything I can fuck with? Yep, I can fuck with vegetables. Pick up vegetables, okay. I'm not getting in that stove. That looks about my height. I'm in that fucking. Okay, it's got a grate, so good. Fish head, shit. Where you going, dude? What was me being able to pick up a carrot and a rutabaga? Sit here a second and go. Okay. for a key. Apparently not. Apparently a key. Unless he left it in the shitter. I can pick up the toilet paper. Okay. Why can't I pick up the toilet paper? I'm in the house now. There's the key. Going to work. Supposed to go now. There wasn't a vent there a minute ago. Very tense. Very tense. It's a dumbwaiter. Do I need to get in the dumbwaiter? Okay. So I need meat. I need meat. Can I unlock that? There we go. There. This is a horrible camera. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. Son of a bitch. Edit. And I hit jump again for some reason. Hold on. Nope. Okay. That's gotta be what it is, though. God, this camera angle. This is a tough one just because I can't see. I can't see to judge the jump. I mean, I don't know what else to do, because clearly it wants me to get that dead bone to use as the meat for the sausage. But I don't know how to get, I don't know how to get there. I don't know how to... God, this camera angle fucking blows. Can I climb these? That's got to be where I'm going. Hold on, let me see. Square front. That might help. Hold on. Supposed to do with this? Oh yeah, that was a click. Is there anything? Okay. So that only reason for that room, clearly. Am I overcomplicating this? Am I just supposed to have gotten this piece of meat over here? I think I was overcomplicating this whole thing. Or maybe not, because I don't know if I can get that meat off the table. Okay. Okay. Now we're back on track. You know, since you have hungry spouts, why don't you grab some of this sausage to snack on? I got one goddamn sausage for that motherfucker. Is that? I hope that's not enough. I know it's not enough. No, let go of that. Let go of that. Let go of that. Yeah, I need... Looks like one more piece of meat. One more piece of meat. So it's got to be that ham. So I'm thinking I gotta grab the ham and maybe wiggle to try to get it loose. There we go. Okay, it took me a minute. I thought the objective was in the other room, but that was just like a secret area. Turns out I just needed to grab those, what looks like ham, but it's probably just an enormous big toe. What? Why can I grab that? Okay, now I think I can do it. It's extremely dark in here. I guess I gotta run when the elevator opens. How far back is it gonna take? What? Take me too far back. Okay. Thank you, God. Okay. Where am I supposed to fucking hide? Why, right there. It would seem. Okay. We got this. We got this shit. Run like a bitch. Well, that's some good looking cheese. Yummy. I see a hole in the wall right over there. Okay. Fucking see me! God damn it! There's the key. Okay. I see it. I see it. Okay. Objective becoming clearer. Objective becoming clearer. Okay, so I have to activate and run and hide. No. Fuck you! Fuck you, dude. I was under there, you fucker. Okay. Wake up. You got shit to do. Shit. Okay. Okay. Focus. I can do this. I can do this. Fucking shit. I'm not sure if that was a good idea or a bad idea. Perhaps I just didn't make it there quick enough. Perhaps. That's why I couldn't have hid behind the pots. Eight. No. Pick the key up and run. what is my... Oh, look. So is that all this was? Just a special area? That's a foot. So what? Okay. Okay, climb those, so why can I climb those? Aha! Okay, so there's a grate here. So there's no way I can just pop up there. That would be too easy. So I'm gonna have to... Okay, get up there, I have to go up here. Fuck you. You guys didn't see shit. Tweedledee and Tweedledum right there. Yeah. Nope, can't do that. Okay, so it's gonna be something with this switch here. Okay, Jesus, where do I get on the hooks? God damn, that's a long way to go. Oh my God, do I have to climb those weights? Give me a hook. Give me a hook. No, get back up on top, you dipshit. God. This was fun. I'll see you. Later. Okay. Shit. How much of that am I gonna have to redo? Okay, I can handle this. Okay, okay, okay. So what do I do now? Climb. So I've just got to fucking run. That's what it seemed to me. Son of a bitch! Okay, okay. The objective is at least clear now. The objective is clear. Run like a bitch. No, that is not the way to do that. Later. Fuck you! Fuck you both! And your moms! See y'all! Oh shit! I just cleared a stage. Alright, fuck. That sounds to me like a perfectly good time to call this an episode. I don't know about y'all, but it seems like to me. Thank you so much for being here. I do... Oh, what kind of hell is this? I don't know. We're gonna go back. But like I said, thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed this game. It's a fun little game. It's very creepy. It's very intense. You know, it's a stealth game and surprise, sorta. Stealth and platform. If you slammed them together and called it a game, this is what this would be. It's a lot of fun though. I'm looking forward to finishing it, and I've got part 2 in my library as at the moment, and if I enjoy this enough, I'll probably eventually get to part 3. I bet. This is fun. It is a fun little game. It makes your brain work for sure. I don't think the kitchen, in my opinion, was as hard as the first level, though. The first level, there were some of them that I was just like, I'll admit I had to look up, what is my purpose here? And it'd be like, just open the door. And I was like, well, goddamn. This one seemed a little more straightforward. I don't know if that's just maybe I'm getting accustomed to the game, perhaps. Possibly, I don't know. But like, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, maybe you could see your way clear to dropping me a like, a comment, a share, a subscribe. One of those things is immensely helpful for the channel, helps it grow, helps it flourish. Tell YouTube, hey, put this guy's stuff out there, people might dig it. And that's better for everybody if you ask. That's all around better for everybody. And while you're at it, check out the rest of the stuff on my channel. I have over 1,000 videos. And more coming out every day. I do live streams now. It's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, I have concerts that I've been to, some of my favorite bands with some really good for a couple of them, and I will post those as you know, occur. But you know, I live in an area that it's not really concert heavy. Then I also have original music that I write the lyrics to and give life through an AI app in the form of a 4-piece all-girl metal band called The Circle. There's currently 10 albums on my channel. One is an instrumental album, and one is a greatest hits album, I admit, but still, good music. Check it out. If you like screaming chicks, if you like new metal, if you like metalcore, if you like, you know, whatever. Modern rock, yeah, there's some of that in there. Give it a shot. Check it out. I think you'll dig it. Trust me. Trust me. And you can find the lovely ladies of the Circle every Wednesday night on Wicked Wednesday Night. That is the female division of my original character simulated wrestling federation. The men's division is Monday Night Mania. And then I also have a female celebrity federation that's on every Tuesday night download. And apart from that, you can also find a butt ton of playthroughs on my channel. All sorts of genres, all sorts of styles. I mean, you name it, I'm willing to play it, at least give it a shot. And I do my best to see it through to the end on all of them, but some of them make it really, really hard. But yeah, check those out. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. And, well, ladies and gentlemen, cats and kittens, boys and girls, that just leaves me to say once again. And until next time, later.